So in this video I will show you how to get a very clean AMD GPU driver installed. First you have to clean everything up. You have to download this software here from either one of these websites. It's fine. And just open it up. Agree. Yes. Read more. Then scroll down until you see the download. Click here for download and it will start downloading. Open the burner soft. This is the right one. Just get the portable one. Okay. Open file. It will self-extract. Then you can find it here. I already have it extracted. This is the one. Okay. Just have to open this up. Right. So make sure to read this. Or no, never. Close this. Yes, you do have to be in safe mode. And how to get this safe mode? It depends. I'm on Windows 11, means that to get into safe mode in Windows 11. So click on shift restart in here, or whatever. Just make sure that you're in safe mode, or no, you can also do this too. So just click here, clean and restart. It's either one of these two. Either it's clean and restart or clean and shut down. I don't recommend the second option because yes, it can cause black screen. And after you have restarted, you have to make sure that you don't have anything. You don't have any remnant of your Nvidia driver on here. So I used to use Nvidia GPU, and in here I would have my actually here on a few device by type. Then it would be display. There would be an Nvidia driver here. All you gotta do is get it uninstalled. You just have to erase the driver from here on device manager, just by searching for device manager like so, and then you just proceed with installing your AMD driver here. I already downloaded it, but if you don't know what your GPU is, you can open up your task manager by right clicking on the taskbar and then click on task manager, click on performance tab, and you can click on your GPU, and then you'll know what your GPU is, like this. For me it's AMD Radeon, so I can just type AMD RX 6700 XT driver, click on this and pick your Windows version. I'm on Windows 11, so make sure that you get the AMD Software Adrenalin Edition, not the Pro one, because Pro is for graphic designer, and if you're gaming, make sure to get this one, and then just click on download and install. And that's it on how to get fresh install for your AMD graphic driver on Windows.